This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting to the folder that usually stores captures. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer, then go to this PC, open Pictures, and select the Screenshots folder. Once done, make sure you can see file details like date and type so you can identify recent captures. If you synced OneDrive, look under OneDrive Pictures Screenshots instead. This first step locates where Windows 10 keeps automatically saved print screen images and avoids searching randomly across drives. Next, narrow down what you need by searching and filtering inside Explorer. Click the search box and type asterisk, PNG or file name, screenshot to show typical screenshot files, then sort by date modified to surface the newest captures. You can switch the view to details for quick scanning or apply a type filter if some saves are JPEG. Also check the clipboard if you copied instead of saving. Open Snipping Tool or press Windows V for clipboard history, so you can paste and save uncaptured clipboard images. Finally, deal with selected files and potential problems. Right-click any screenshot to copy, cut, or open file location, and move important images to a dedicated folder for easier access. If you can't find expected screenshots, inspect the Recycle bin and your OneDrive Recycle bin, and confirm OneDrive isn't redirecting pictures. If print screen didn't save automatically, enable the setting in OneDrive or use Windows key plus print screen to force a save. Troubleshooting tip: check clipboard history and OneDrive sync status when images disappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.